The Heritage Steel 12-inch fry pan is like a reliable friend in your kitchen. It's made right here in the USA, and it feels strong and sturdy. This pan is part of the titanium series, which means the cooking surface has extra protection. The 316T skillet material is special because it resists rust and won't react with your food. So, the flavors of your delicious potatoes or any other dish will always shine through. And that's a big compliment to your cooking. This Heritage Steel 12-inch fry pan has a cool handle. It stays comfortable to touch even when the pan gets really hot on the stove. The pan's body is made with 5 layers of metal. This 5-ply construction helps heat spread evenly, so there are no hot spots that could burn your food. It's fully clad, meaning these layers go all the way up the sides, not just the bottom. This helps the whole pan heat up nicely, making your cooking experience better and more consistent over the years. You can use the Heritage Steel 12-inch fry pan on any kind of stovetop, even induction. Plus, it's made without any harmful chemicals, so you can feel good about what you're cooking in. This pan isn't just a tool. It's a pledge of quality from Heritage Steel. It's built to last for many years, helping you create countless meals. While we can't show you an image here, imagine a durable, high-performing pan that will be a valuable part of your kitchen system for a long time. Pros: made in USA, Titanium Series 316T skillet, stay cool handle, fully clad 5-ply. Construction, induction ready, non-toxic 12-inch size, fry pan. Cons: higher price point, can be heavier, requires learning curve, food can stick if not used correctly, longer preheating time, not truly non-stick, can show scratches, stay cool handle. May still get warm. 5-ply may be overkill for some, cleaning can take more effort. Features: Heritage Steel brand 12-inch size, fry pan type, made in USA, Titanium Series 316T. Skillet, stay cool handle, fully clad 5-ply build, induction ready. This is a 12-inch frying pan from Heritage Steel's Titanium Series. It is made in the USA and has a 316T stainless steel cooking surface, which is strong and resists rust. The pan has a special handle that stays cool while you cook. It's made with 5 layers of metal that go all the way up the sides, helping it heat evenly. This pan can be used on all kinds of stoves, even the ones that use magnets. Induction. It's also made without harmful chemicals. The Heritage Steel 12-inch fry pan from the Titanium Series is a high-quality, American-made skillet constructed with a 5-ply, fully clad stainless steel design featuring a 316T cooking surface for enhanced durability and corrosion resistance. It boasts a stay-cool handle, is induction-ready, and made with non-toxic materials. While it comes at a higher price and may be heavier with a slight learning curve to prevent food from sticking, it offers even heating and is oven and broiler safe up to 800 degrees F. Keep in mind it's not truly non-stick, can show scratches, and might require a bit more effort for cleaning.